It is 2:04. I technically got up at like 1, but I was talking to my mom. Currently eating a protein bar. Also, I ate a protein bar last night, mostly because it was like my stomach was hurting, and then I realized I only ate like 800 calories yesterday, so whoops. But yeah, I am eating a protein bar. I will be doing this again. I'm probably gonna do a more leisurely walk, so no running. I'm probably gonna live stream, but we'll see. More live stream tests, stuff like that. We'll see what happens later in the day. For now, I'm gonna eat my protein bar, and I'm going to figure out how to start my very late day again. I'm so glad I have a treadmill now, because California is doing this again, or Los Angeles is doing this again. So it's nice. I like the rain. It makes me a little sad though, but I do like the rain. It's the 5th. My stepfather passed away on the 19th. It was raining when he passed. So I like to think of the rain as his little gift from beyond, because he knew how much I like the rain. Yeah. I am having a plant based vegan burger. It's a high protein, very quiety, which is nice. So yeah. I'm also watching Cops with my grandma. 13 minutes left. 13 minutes. Yeah, usually that is what happens. They always chase us on me. And we're done. And here are the results.
Okay. So they're talking about the car, and the nephew comes out. He's drunk, or looks like he's high a little bit. Right. He starts yelling at the guy in the blue shirt about something. The guy's like, "Hey, I don't want to fight with you." So he called the police, and then I guess he showed up and wound up fighting.
That's the end of that. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good day /night/workout/skill day. PW Chronicles signing off.